डार्लिंग आज बहुत कंटाला आ रहा है, चलो ना कहीं बाहर खाने चलते हैं। मम्मा पिज़्ज़ा बहुत दिन से नहीं खाया है, चलो ना पिज़्ज़ा खाने चलते हैं। बेटे आज मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ, प्लीज़ मैगी बना के खा ले। This is what our new lifestyle has become. We have now fixed up ourselves with the fast food, pizzas, burgers, refined foods, processed meals, or ready to eat packets because we are not interested in making fresh fruit. Well, I won't say not interested, but our lifestyle has become so, it is so fast, and many a times we try to grab the easiest version available because we are too tired, or rather things are not available at home, grocery is not there and we have not got time. There are n number of reasons for shifting of this lifestyle. But my dear friends, do you know, in doing so, what we have done to the very basic ingredient which is used in our food, which is salt. What we have done is we have gradually increased intake of salt. हम कई बार कहते हैं नमक के बिना खाने की मज़ा नहीं, कम नमक बेस्वाद खाना, चुटकी भर नमक से भी फ़र्क पड़ जाता है खाने में. That's true, but do you know that salt has now really become main culprit for heart diseases and for many other diseases that we are suffering in this newer lifestyle. And many a times our parents tells us, हमारे ज़माने में इतने कम उम्र में ऐसी सारी बीमारी तो होती ही नहीं थी, right? They always used to tell that, and they are telling us, but we are helpless? No. Today's video we are going to talk about salt. Salt, the most basic ingredient, have sodium, and sodium really helps our body to maintain particular processes in rhythm, or rather I can say the communication between the cells happens because of sodium, and that is backed up by potassium. So salt is necessary. You can't say that I am going to leave salt. You need to eat salt in moderation. Today we are going to discuss some health benefits of salt. We are also going to discuss creative ways to replace salt, and I am going to leave you with a very important bonus tip. So do watch my video till end. Welcome to Sahat Soch. How unknowingly we consume high amount of salt. Salt in the diet can come from processed foods, either because they are particularly high in salt or because they are consumed frequently in large amounts through adding it during cooking of the food or through the table salt. Do you know we are normally consuming about 9 to 12 grams of salt per day? It is almost more than double the salt recommended. And if we are fast food lover, this figure goes very, very high. So then how much salt is enough salty? WHO, World Health Organization, recommends less than 5 grams a day for an adult. That is even less than 1 teaspoon. At this juncture, I would like to give a tip to you. Make a habit to read food labels and choose products which are low in sodium. Health benefits of salt. Friends, these benefits of salt only work when you are consuming salt in limits, that is, only 1 teaspoon of salt per day. Iodized salt is essential for healthy brain development. It helps to maintain the correct balance of fluids in our body. It's also a key player in muscle contraction and relaxation. Salt makes the process of sweating possible, allowing us to cool down and avoid dehydration and heat stroke. Here comes one more tip. Consuming too little salt can lead to muscle spasm, irregular heart rhythms, and feelings of weakness. So friends, we need to have salt, but have it in quite moderation. In my previous video, Health Benefits of Jaggery, I did mention about that the dose differentiates poison and remedy. How to reduce salt intake? Well, there are many creative ways to reduce your salt intake. Eat home cooked meals instead of instant meals. Be creative and sprinkle your food with spices, herbs, lemon, garlic, ginger, pepper, etc. Remove table salt from your home. Read the ingredient labels. Always check for amount of salt per servings on ingredient labels. There are lots of debate on sea salt, rock salt, which one is healthier? Bye. I believe salt is salt and all types of salt contain sodium, so just reduce it. There's no further debate on it. Why to complicate it? So friends, here comes the bonus tip I promised you in the starting of the video. Yes friends, we can reduce salt within 6 to 8 weeks span. Believe me, this is achievable target. You can't just stop the salt like this. No, there are stepwise approach that you can have. Number one, most important, I can say we really develop our taste buds when we are quite young ones. So first of all, let us implement in the younger ones, that is the next generation. Let us reduce salt from the beginning of their lifestyle itself. For us, within 6 to 8 weeks, what we can do? For the first week, plan that I won't have salt in my breakfast. Do it for 1 week. Next week, now increase it to lunch. Rather than having no salt lunch, I would suggest you to have half of the salt lunch. Half of the salt lunch means whatever salt you are using for making of your lunch, you can reduce it to half. Then continue that for next 1 week. And friends, you would be surprised to know that your taste buds will adjust to lesser salt. और आपको फिर बाद में जब आप पूरे सॉल्ट वाला खाना खाएंगे आपको लगेगा ये बहुत सॉल्ट खा रहा है, लेकिन you would be proud that you have been able to reduce the salt considerably. Gradually move to no salt evening breakfast. Yes, no salt evening breakfast, and dinners again half salt. This is how you would be able to reduce your salt intake from current salt intake, total salt intake, to the half of it. That's it. It's very easy, but I agree it's easier said than done. Do try it out. It will take your willpower to do it, believe me, but you will be able to succeed. Let us try and vow for healthy life. Thank you for being with Sahat Soch. Please share, subscribe and like our videos. Thanks.